Hello everyone! You've learned about raw strings, and in this lesson we're going to practice using them. The idea behind them is quite simple. Escape sequences are disabled, and everything you write inside a raw string is treated literally. First, try to complete these tasks on your own. Pause the video, read the instructions, and complete the tasks. Then continue watching the video. Task number 1. Print the following text to the screen using a raw string. Do not use the escape sequences, \\/ or \double quote. The task says that we need to use a single string, not multiple strings. So we only need one stdout statement. My code looks like this. Since we can see two lines in the task, we need to move the cursor to the next line after writing the first one. To do that, we can simply press enter here and continue writing the text. We can also see a lot of backslashes and double quotes here, but a raw string won't have any problems with them and will print them as they are. Let's run the program and take a look at the output. Task number 2. Print the following picture to the screen using only one std statement, stdout, and one raw string. We can see a house here, and we need to try to print it using a single raw string. It's easy to do. When you open a raw string, you can simply copy the entire picture from the task and paste it inside the raw string. After making a few small adjustments, you close the string, and that's it. Run the program and see what you get. We don't use any escape sequences here, just the enter and space keys. Let's run the program and take a look at the output. Task number 3. Print the following C++ code to the screen exactly as shown. Use only one stdout and one raw string. If you completed the previous task, then this one works exactly the same way. You can simply copy all the code and paste it inside the raw string, and that's it. However, it's better to try typing all the code inside it manually first, so that you can better understand how text is placed inside a raw string. Let's run the program and take a look at the output. That's it. We've learned how to print text using any number of lines. Now we can slowly move on to other things in C++ in the next lessons. See you there. Goodbye.